Y'all, the one thing I enjoy the most is being able to have a pizza party whenever the heck I want. Monday, Tuesday, Saturday, whatever. Today, my friends, I have a taco pizza that is going to knock your socks off. Our journey with this pizza started the night before, and I went over to Blackstone Products and I used their New York style pizza dough that's on their website. I made that dough, put it in the fridge, and it did a cold rise. It's been about 18 hours or so for when we're using it today. 2 days is great, but that's the dough we're going to use. It's a fantastic dough. Our meat of choice is ground beef, and we're just going to season this ground beef up with some Blackstone street taco seasoning. And after it's done, we're just going to put it in a bowl. All right, now comes the fun part, making the pizzas. It's my most favorite part. I like to take a little bit of, this is semolina flour with just some all-purpose flour. Put it on our workbench right there, okay? Let me see, which one do we want here? This one right here. I'm gonna put just a little bit of semolina on top here. You wanna be gentle. You want to be really gentle with this, y'all. You spent so much time the night before and leading up to it, so handle it really gently. It's just a nice little pillow of goodness, okay? First, I like to put my dough into the semolina. So this top, the top of there is gonna be our bottom. And we're just gonna stretch this around. Smells nice and yeasty. This dough is really easy to work with. Our sauce for this, we're just using a jarred salsa. If you have a salsa that you like, feel free to use that. And just like a regular old pizza, spread your sauce around. All right, we got our sauce down. Now let's talk about our cheese. I got there's really 3 or 4 kinds of cheeses. This is queso quesadilla cheese right here. It's very similar to a mozzarella cheese. It's a melting cheese, a Mexican melting cheese. And also got, this is called a Fiesta blend. It's got Monterey Jack, it's got queso quesadilla, it's got cheddar. It's got a lot of different cheeses, typical of what you would find on a taco bar, something like that. So I'm coming in first with some of this queso quesadilla cheese. Next, we're gonna come in with this Fiesta blend now. Now we have our seasoned meat, season that up with some of that street taco from Blackstone. Really bring it through. We're gonna bring in some more of that street taco right on top. All right, now the fun part. Get your pizza peel, put you a little bit of semolina flour down on it, especially right on the edge. I like to try to just pick this up right here, and with one motion, go right up under it. Sometimes some of your toppings might come off. It's all right. You can fix it. I made a little bit bigger pizza here. Give it a little shimmy. Shimmy's just fine. It's a little big on this end, but that's okay. Let's come into our oven. Get it centered up. There we go. Just like that. The pizza oven, we're running at about 550 degrees, y'all. And for my oven, I have this orange area. And on this left side of the orange area is about 550 degrees. Makes perfect pizza pie. Y'all, if you could smell this, man, look at that. Look at that goodness. But I'm gonna be honest with you, this is good. I'm gonna put it back in just for a little while longer to really set the edge of that crust, because I like it nice and dark. And I'm gonna put it on full jet mode. Ready? And that right there, it's just it's a high gear, if you will. And it gets that crust on the outside nice and dark. All right, guys, man, oh man. That crust is nice and dark. That is beautiful. My word. Look at that crust right there. Perfect, perfect crust. Well, listen, we're gonna cut this thing first, then we're gonna finish off the taco pizza. I got this new little handy dandy little cutter here, little cutter wheel. Let's see if we can hear it. You ready? Ooh. Y'all hear that? That ain't something right there. All right, now, let's finish making this taco pizza. What are we gonna do? Well, I'm glad you asked. I have just a plethora of items. So, I like just a little bit of just more cheese. I mean, who doesn't like more cheese? A little bit more of this Fiesta cheese. We'll do a little bit of chopped white onion. And again, make it your own. A little lettuce, a little pickled jalapenos. Now, something that would be good is these pickled jalapenos. Put them onto the pizza when you cook it. It really brings in a nice briny flavor, but I like them raw. But I think that other would be really good too. We'll do some chopped tomatoes. Now we're just gonna do a little mild taco sauce. This is Taco Bell, just like that right there. Next, a little Mexican crema. Woo-hoo-hoo, doggies. Last but not least, y'all, this is what I'm so excited, We're gonna take some Doritos and we're just gonna crunch that up right on top of our pizza. Boy, talk about a party. When Doritos shows up to the party, it's like, hey bro, what's up? All right, buddies, it is the time we all been waiting for. I've been having my eye on this pizza slice here. Oh man, that dough's perfect. Oh my gosh. The cheese, so cheesy. And our beef is seasoned so well. I just love all the things going on. The lettuce is so crisp. Tomatoes and Doritos on top. Man, that's good. Y'all, I hope you can give this pizza a try. It is a slam dunk, I guarantee it. Head on over to Blackstone Network where you see other awesome pizza recipes just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and it's a pizza party.